Inside the courtroom.
So we can either take that plea right now, and I'm gonna ask for time served and some other stuff, or we set for trial, one of the two.
All right.
Want to go forward with the plea? We go forward with the plea, Mr. Hurst, is that correct?
Yeah.
You're not comfortable with that, we've been able to discuss that.
I still got to get the facts.
Absolutely.
Mr. Hurst, would you agree that on July 13, 2026, July 9, 2026, and July 1, 2026, you were at the airport at a time and place that you were not authorized to be?
Right.
Satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied.
All right. I'll accept your pleas, Mr. Hurst. Let's talk sentencing.
Absolutely. Your Honor, he's going to be staying in Detroit, Michigan. Was out at the airport ostensibly to work or seek employment. In speaking with him, he appreciates now, I hope, that he's wanted there. He cannot go back out there. With that in mind, Judge, he has been locked up for a couple of days. He does not have income. I would ask for time served with some sort of terms to keep him away from the airport. But again, he's in Detroit. He has to want to get out there. He's got to take a couple different buses. It's not an easy thing. So hopefully this will be the wake up call that he needs. I believe this is the first time he's been jailed on any case.
All right. Mr. Hurst, is there anything you want me to consider before I sentence you?
No. I mean, but before you said, like, I've been working on trying to get a job, but I don't have no problem paying the a fine or fee or whatever.
Appreciate we're going to stay away from the airport, right? Unless the only way we go out there is you got a ticket to fly.
Understood?
Okay.
And how long have you been in custody?
Yesterday?
That's what I thought. Just so 2 days counting today, yes?
That's correct.
All right, on each one of these files, I'm ordering that you stay off the airport property. Like Mr. Keewan said, if you've got an airline ticket to fly out of Metro, that's the only way you'll have permission to be on airport property. Understood?
Okay.
If you need a job, there are a lot of places that aren't at the airport that are looking for employees. So no new criminal offenses. I'm putting you on probation for 12 months on each of these 3 files. That means I've got 93 days on each file. That's 3 months. So in essence, I've got 9 months in jail hanging over your head. You got to stay out of trouble and stay out of the airport. Understood?
All right.
I'm going to give you 2 days jail, 2 days credit on the one file, so you're not wasting those days. Any questions?
So how many judge am I gonna do? Or
I'm giving you credit for the 2 days you spent, and I'm telling you that I've got, what is that? 200 and what's 93 times 3? 270 days jail hanging over your head if you don't stay out of trouble.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good
You're
luck.
welcome.
All right, thank you.
Counsel, are you ready on Miss Lloyd's file?
I am, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. Miss Lloyd, can you hear us okay?
Yes, I can, sir. Yes.
Counsel, would you waive formal reading?
Yes, Your Honor. We will stand you and waive formal reading.
Thank you. I'll enter a not guilty plea for Miss Lloyd.
I also don't think I entered my appearance, so Dave
Oh, go ahead. Go ahead.
PA 2806 on behalf of Ms. Lloyd.
Counsel, have you had a chance to look at the bond recommendation?
I have, Your Honor, and it appears that Miss Lloyd, she tells me that she's in the midst of getting a new home in Warren. She is not employed presently, so I'm not sure how she will be able to satisfy the request of 10,000. 10% would ask for a lower bond, but I'm not even sure that it matters. If anything, if the court is willing to let her out, we are asking, well, I guess she wouldn't have anywhere to tether to either. So,
That's the biggest problem, I think, is there's
yeah.
nowhere to tell her to. Detective, any input?
No, sir. We'll be satisfied with whatever you see fit.
Yeah. Miss Lloyd,
Yes, sir.
do I have to leave you in jail just to keep you off Metro Airport property?
No, you do not, sir. I went there, it was a storm. And they said it was a terrible storm yesterday. And I went back by there about 9 o'clock in the storm. I recently be at the Delight Shelter. And then not only the Delight Shelter, I be at Constitute.
Okay, but you got to stay out of the airport. I think this is our 9th open file that we got to deal with now. So I'm going to give you a court date on this one. That's going to be August 11, 10 a.m. That's with Judge Martin, so that's on Zoom.
Yes, sir. I am supposed to be at my post office on the 25th. They had cut me off for Social Security,
Okay,
and they was giving me my brand new check on the 25th, and my post office is closing, is what I'm trying to tell you. I have to repay my P.O. box this month.
okay. I'm not asking for any money.
I'm talking about from the post office so I can get my money to care for myself. They
Okay,
are going to be closed this month.
okay, okay, but I'm not sure how that impacts me. Are you asking me a question?
It impact you because I have to be there to pay them on about the 27th.
She's just trying to make sure that she is going to be able to pay for her PO box. Yes.
Okay.
That's all.
This court date on August 11th is on Zoom, so you don't have to be here in person. You can be, but I'm going to put you on a bond, and one of your bond conditions is that you stay out of trouble generally, but specifically you stay off of Metro Airport property.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Do not go back to Metro Airport, because ma'am, please hear me. I'm reaching the point where I'm just going to put you in jail for the maximum just so the airport doesn't have to deal with the trespassing. I do not want to put you in jail because you can't stay out of the airport.
Okay, sir. I hear you. I'll go to the lot shelter or go over to Cots.
Okay, just stay out of the airport.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Where are you
counsel,
not going to go, Miss Lloyd? I just want to make sure you understand. Where are you not going to go?
Gonna go to the airport.
Say it one more time. You're not going where?
Gonna go to the airport.
You don't even want to see an airplane, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
This one down the 11th, and that's where the house is on the 13th.
It's very specific.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna indicate, Judge, but obviously you already know that.
Did not, that's fine. Sure.
I'm sorry, detective. I had another conversation going.
No, I was just gonna indicate she has those other matters on the 13th. I don't know if you wanted to put them all at the same time. Okay.
Yeah. Well, we can't, because this one, for whatever reason, was written under the state statute, so it's got to be the county prosecutor. All my files are scheduled the 13th with Mr. Mena.
Understood. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, counsel.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Judge, what was the bond on her?
1,000 personal.
Thank you.
So it's
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
On Road. Oh.
Inside the courtroom.